How to set up locked folder in Google Photos. So if you're using Google Photos on your Android or on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and now you want to set up locked folder in the Google Photo app, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to set up locked folder in Google Photos is go ahead and open the Google Photos app on your Android. So any Android device has the Google Photo app installed, or if you install the Google Photo yourself, just go ahead and search for Photos. Then open the Google Photos app. Once you open the Google Photos app, this is what you're going to see. If you recently backed up your Google Photo, then you should see all your backed up photos. Now, to set up the Google Photo locked folder, what you just need to do is locate on the navigation and click on Collections. Once you selected Collections, scroll down the page, locate Locked, and then click on it. Once you click on Locked, you should see Move to Locked folder. Then photos and video in locked folder are hidden and won't show as you scroll through Google Photos or in other app. Open with device screen lock. Related photos won't be moved. These include copied, edited versions, and shared photos saved by others. Then go ahead, click on Setup Locked folder. Once you click on that, confirm your PIN, Face ID, or fingerprint. Then Backup Locked folder. Backing up locked folder keep your hidden photos and videos safe when changing your device or delete the app. So if you want to back up your lock folder, turn on backup lock folder or do not backup. So let us disable backup for now. Then here you should see your lock folder activated. Now to add photos on the lock folder you just set up, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the bottom right here. Now go ahead and select the photos you want to back up on the Google locked folder on your phone. So just search through and then select all the photos you want to back up. Once you've selected all the photos to back up, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Move, and this is going to move the photo from the Google Photos app to the secure folder on your phone. Then you should see locked folder backup is off. Just continue, move, then allow photo to modify. Click on Allow, dismiss. Then you should see moving to locked folder. Hang on while these photos are moved. Now you should see all the photos you moved to the locked folder on your Google Photos. Now if you want to back up the locked folders photo so they can easily access them if you change your phone or you delete the Photos app on your phone, go ahead and click on this cloud icon and then tap turn on backup. Then you should see that says keep your memory safe, tap turn on backup, and then you're good to go. Then you should see all the photos you have in your locked folder backed up. You can now repeat the process again to back up photo to the locked folder. So just search through the folder page, then you can click on all of these to see your photos just like this. So just go ahead, select the photo you want to back up or move to locked folder. Click on Move again, move, allow. Then you should see moving to locked folders, and then kind of refresh the page. Then you should see the photos like this. You see that? So that is basically how to set up locked folder in Google Photos. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.